got to get grounded here. We have our prayer chaplains that are joining our prayer chaplain team. So if you don't know about our prayer chaplains, if you're a member here, you get a call once a month. And it's a live call with a prayer chaplain that's holding you specifically in prayer for the year. If you don't want to call, you can get a text. If you don't want either, you can just say, hold me in the light. But our Judy Simmons Estes is an incredible licensed Unity teacher. She's an incredible educator and an incredible woman of light. She leads our team. And because we are a community beyond walls, she leads it mostly from Colorado. And we have prayer chaplains from coast to coast that participate fully in service. If you ever feel called, you just take a prayer class, take a membership class, and then you take the training with Judy and the team. Now, this team does something incredible. They reach out to each other and hold each other in prayer every day. Every day they have a group text, and every time they go together to hold light, they hold you in light. They hold me in light, and that's significant, and it makes a difference. We often have a prayer chaplain here to pray with you in the sanctuary one-on-one after the service confidentially, but I want to welcome our new, so these are our existing prayer chaplains. No one here is new, though, correct? Marilyn? I don't think, is anyone? Things are a little off this morning. They're on. They're on. So let's just announce our prayer chaplains. This is our current team. Okay. Oh, there's the, okay, good. Okay, go back. So, Maria Beebe out in California, Elizabeth Besser here in Missouri, Tammy Bottom in Michigan, Jay Cross in Jersey, Tina in Oklahoma, Marilyn in Arkansas, and Kristen in Missouri right here in-house to pray with you confidentially one-on-one after the service. Lynn Weibar, who is on our board of trustees, who is also here locally often, might be live streaming today. Nope, there she is right there. And go ahead to the next slide and let's welcome our new prayer chaplains. If you're here in the house, come up. No, these are not new prayer chaplains. These are our emeritus prayer chaplains. So they're the ones that still hold the sacred space, have participated in the program, and hold the sacred space but are not active. They're kind of like in waiting. So Cynthia Brandt, Michigan, awesome. Christine, Connecticut. She also hosts a little radio show in Connecticut. Holly Hubert in Florida, incredible woman of light. Dean Levine on our board of trustees, and Vicki in Michigan. Is that incredible? Yeah. Sometimes I feel sad there's not full seats in the house, but then I remember our people that are all over. And if that works for people, and if it works for people to be in their pajamas, stay in your pajamas. But if you want to come in, gosh, it feels good to have bodies in the house, doesn't it? All right. Do we have any new ones?
No, we have just repeats.
So they went through their program, and we're blessing them today. Okay, so they bless you and me and you guys and all of us all the time. Can we take a moment to just breathe in to bless our prayer team? So we just inhale and exhale into this moment. Thanking you for your service. Thanking you for stepping forward in a time of need, for stepping forward to be the hands and the heart of Spirit on earth. Thank you for the light that you are, your intention to heal, to love, to give, to serve, for the knowing that holding the space and holding sacred space with someone makes a difference, for being there for me when I need to share prayer requests and things that are confidential and can't be shared with the story, knowing that you don't need to know the story because you hold the wholeness and the truth and the healing and the wellness. So we thank you for that sacred role you play in this community. Because not everyone knows who has a diagnosis. Not everyone knows who's going through a mental health challenge. Not everyone knows who's going through a family situation or whatever it is. Everyone knows that everyone's in the world right now, and that's an interesting experience. But you're holding the space for all of it. So we bless your hearts. We bless your hands. We bless the healing power of light that flows through your consciousness. Thank you. We appreciate you, and we bless you, and so it is. Namaste.